I discovered a sneaky way to earn over $100 a day for free as a complete beginner. And the good thing is that this method works in all the countries around the world. I have done this and tested it out many times, and it works very well. So like this video and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to gologin.com. I will leave a link to gologin in the description of this video and the pinned comment, along with my 40% discount promo code. I am using gologin to earn $100 to $200 a day. Gologin is an anti-detect browser that lets you create proxies for any website out there. These proxies will allow you to create and manage multiple accounts on pretty much any website. You can use the gologin to access those websites and to earn money with them. So you can be from any country like India, Pakistan, Philippines, Nepal, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, UAE, Somalia, or any other Tier 3 countries around the world. And now, even you can access any websites using gologin that are only available for the top-tier countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, etc. Not only that, if you're from the United States and you want to access some of the high-paying offers of the United Kingdom or New Zealand, you can still use the gologin for that. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create the most relevant videos for you. Now, step number 2. For the purpose of explaining how things work using gologin, let's take an example of freecash.com, which is one of the best and legit make money online website, where you can find different apps and play to earn game offers, different surveys to complete. You can watch different videos and complete other similar tasks to earn money on free cash. Now, the problem for most of you is that most of the times they only pay you a few bucks, or even pennies for each app you download, or for each offer that you complete. And very rarely, you might find apps that pay you a good amount of money, like the $50 per app or game offer you complete, $100 for this game offer you complete. And if you depend on these offers only, then this is going to make it very hard for you to earn anywhere close to $100 or even $50 per day on free cash, even if you spend weeks or months completing these small paying offers. You're only going to stuck with these low-paying offers if you don't use the My Beginner's Friendly secret method that I'm going to show you today, because some of the high-paying offers that are available in the United States, UK, or other Tier 1 countries are not available in the countries like India, Philippines, or Russia. Similarly, some of the high-paying offers that are available only in the United Kingdom are not also paying that much in the United States, New Zealand, or Australia. So the secret to make $100 per day is to have multiple accounts on the same money-making website, like free cash, with the help of gologin. As you can see on my United Kingdom account, I have already earned over £120, whereas on my US account, I have earned $90. So just like me, if you create multiple accounts using gologin, you can also earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per account on any money-earning website like the free cash. And in total, you can earn over $100 a day that you can withdraw to your favorite payment method later on. Because, for example, if you love playing this game called the Chaos Cruiser, and you have already completed this offer on your free cash account from your country location and got paid for it, what you can do now is you can just create a new account on free cash from different location, like the United States, using gologin.com. You can find the same Chaos Cruiser game app offer in your new account, which you can complete again and get paid again for completing it. And the good thing about using gologin is that if you were getting paid less in your country, for example, you were getting paid only $6 for the Chaos Cruiser game app in your country, after using gologin to create and use a new account from a new location like the United States or the United Kingdom, you will get paid 5 to 10 times more money for the same offer. You can see that on my United Kingdom account, I'm getting paid over $80 for the same Chaos Cruiser game. You just need to make sure that you use different email ID every time you create a new account on the same website, which can be any earning website like free cash. So now, the step number 3 is to come over to gologin.com again. And now I will show you how you can use the gologin to create multiple accounts on any website. So first of all, I will leave a link for you in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can click that link to come over to this page and sign up to gologin for completely free. Once you create your account on gologin, I want you to click on the download button on top right of gologin website. Then you just need to choose your device on which you will be using gologin to create multiple accounts and to earn money on different websites. So if you're using a smartphone, You can download the gologin app from Google Play Store. And if you are using a laptop or computer device, you can choose the Windows, Linux, macOS, or the macOS M series download button from there, and download the gologin app to your laptop or PC device. Once you download the gologin app, it will look like this. Now, all you have to do is to double-click on it and it will start installing on your device. After that, it will open and you just need to log in using your email and password that you created while signing up to gologin website. And once you log in to gologin app, this is how your dashboard will look like. As you can see, I have created 3 free cash profiles on gologin for the USA, United Kingdom, and the New Zealand. And I use my United Kingdom and the USA profile most of the time to earn money like this. Now, gologin is not a VPN by any means, so you're not funneling your connection through any sort of VPN. In fact, you should never use a VPN and try to sneak into any website, because most of the times the VPNs don't work properly, so you will get caught easily. Plus, using a VPN is very risky, especially for your personal data, so I won't suggest you use any VPN service. gologin antidetect browser is the perfect solution for your problem, because what gologin does is it creates a server for your computer from different country that makes it look like that you are signing in as a new user in a new location. I'm going to show you how to use gologin to create multiple profiles right now, and I will show you how to use it for completely free, so stay tuned until the end. So now, to create your profile on gologin, all you have to do is to either click this plus icon next to the name or to press this Add Profile option on top right corner. That's going to take you to this page where first of all, you need to name your profile. This is for your reference purpose only. So for example, I can name it something like Free Cash Germany, because I'm going to show you how to create a Germany profile for free cash. After that, in the proxy type, you can either add your proxy if you have bought one, which I recommend if you can invest some money into this process, because then it becomes a completely safe and secure method. Otherwise, you can just use the gologin proxy option from there. And in the country drop-down menu, I want you to select the country for which you want to create your profile. I already have the US, UK, and New Zealand profiles on free cash. So now I will select the Germany from this option to show you how to create a Germany free cash profile on gologin. Leave everything else just like this. And you want to click on this right icon here so that we can select the advanced setting option from there. In the advanced settings, you just need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. And in the start URL box, you want to paste the URL of the website for which you want to create a profile. In our case, we want to create a profile for the free cash site. So we will just copy the homepage URL of free cash from here, then come over to the gologin again, and we will just paste the free cash homepage URL in this box. And finally, we just need to press on this create profile button on the bottom of our screen, and boom, our free cash Germany profile will be ready on gologin. So this is our free cash Germany profile. And to test if this proxy is working, we just need to hit on the run. And as soon as we click on it, that's going to open up a new tab for us, where you can see that our free cash Germany profile is running very well. As you can see, everything here is in the German language. If I show you my United States profile, you can see that here we can get paid over $300 per offer we complete. But on the German profile, you can see that we can get paid over $200 only. And this price difference is because the advertisers on free cash are willing to pay more to the US users than the users from any other country. And we can't actually blame them because they are working with the companies who wants to pay for specific locations. But now we have the gologin to maximize our earnings on the platform. So all you have to do is to sign up to the United States or the United Kingdom free cash profile and log into it. After that, you can start completing the different high-paying offers there, and you can start to maximize your earnings and start to earn over $100 a day if you work on multiple profiles in a day. So you don't have to stop here. As you can see, I have multiple free cash profiles that I use to earn over $100 a day, and the same you can use by creating multiple free cash profiles. And to create another profile, you can either follow the same previous steps by pressing the Add Profile button, or you can just click on these 3 dots next to the proxy you want to copy, and then just click on the Clone option from there, and your free cash profile will be cloned. Now you can just click on the country proxy icon and just select the country for which you want to create this proxy. Let's say I want to create it for the Canada this time, so I will just select the Canadian proxy from there, and my free cash Canadian proxy will be ready for me to use. Just like this, you can use gologin to create and manage multiple accounts on any earning website, any affiliate website, dropshipping website, etc. For example, if ClickBank is not available in your country, or if you are not able to create an account on ClickBank from your country, you can just use gologin to create your account from different country like the United States or the United Kingdom. After that, you can just start sharing the affiliate links for the products, and you can start to earn affiliate commission on ClickBank. Another good example is that if the TikTok creativity program is not available in your country, you can create a new TikTok from the United States location using gologin and join the TikTok creativity program to start earning money with it. And now, to use the gologin for free, all you have to do is to delete all the extra profiles in your account, like the Facebook profile, Google profile, LinkedIn profile, etc. And just leave the 3 main profiles here, because gologin gives you 3 profiles to use for completely free, which is just awesome. One more thing you need to do is to click on these 3 lines and select the settings and members option from there. That's going to take you to this page where I want you to click on the billing plans. As you can see, I have a professional paid plan because I regularly use the gologin for multiple profiles of different websites. But if you are a beginner and don't have money to invest yet, you can just click on the change plan from there. That's going to take you to the pricing page, and I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page, where you can see that a free plan is also available for beginners like you, where you get the 3 browser profiles for completely free to use. So all you have to do is to press this Try Free Plan button next to it, and your free plan will be active on your gologin account until and unless you create more than 3 profiles on gologin. And unlike other antidetect browsers, the 3 profiles in gologin are not technically limited. Gologin profiles will also be saved in the cloud, which will help you open profiles on any device without carrying your computer with you, which is really amazing. Now, once again, I will leave my gologin link in the description of this video and the pinned comment, along with my promo code CASHPRO40, which will give you 40% off on your first paid plan. The offer won't last for long, so just click on the link right now and get yourself a paid plan of gologin today. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.